Alright guys, we are going to pick up this Escalade. We want it. So hopefully we won't be on the side of the road. Like Big Play Ray always says. Let's hope it do just like his and it gets going and we have no problem. But let's see. Hopefully they got it out here. Hopefully they got it out here. Yeah, it's out here. Okay, guys, let's go over here. See what we got. Mess up my bumper a little bit more than it was. What? Some gravel. It's okay. All right, guys, let's go over here. I see we got some company over here. Hopefully they don't get in my way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, of course, wait, because I got to see this thing crank. It might not crank. Let's see. Alright guys, let's see, it looks nice in here, looks the same, so let's see if we can get this thing started and going. Okay, let's see, check these fluids the last time, had some in here, but I might have to put, I gotta put a little bit more in there. Alright. Okay. Gotta change this battery because it's completely dead. All the cars out here. Got our battery here, which I took this out of the dumpster, of course, because should work just fine. Let's see. Let's get there.
Cupcakes. They got this little cupcake tree that they
shooting this thing with one hand, guys. Let's see. Ooh. Hit my camera there, guys. Alright. Let's take this one out. Okay. It's a value battery. Sit y'all right there. Okay. water in this thing. Let's get some water in this thing. Let's get some water in this thing. You hand one of the waters over there, sir. Thank you. I got one. See what this thing does, guys. Hopefully, we ain't bought a piece of junk. Hopefully. Hopefully we didn't buy a piece of junk. Let's hope. Hopefully no leaks. Hopefully no leaks going on here. That's all I'm gonna do for it right now. And then see if we can crank the sucker up. And we can get Let's try this thing. See? In the front. Might as well put it. Might as well put it in the front. I already checked that earlier, so I'm just gonna. No, let me try to crank it up and see if this thing crank. See if it starts. Oh, hold on, we see. Okay. Yeah. Great. It's a good sound.
Yeah.
Real good. It's a real good sound. Sounds good, guys. Looks good. Okay. Sounds good. Looks good.
Yeah.
And everything.
You had a space.
Thank you. I'll try. Hope so. Oh my God. I gotta get gas. I'm empty. This thing is on E.
Ain't no gas station nowhere around. My car is closed, so I just spent a bunch of gas.
Lord have mercy, this thing on E.
So what you telling me?
Maybe we should just park it and go. Dang, we got nothing for gas. I better get some gas. This thing is on. Oh, I'm gone. I must try to get there. Try to get to a gas
So
station.
you tell me to book me
Yeah.
the paperwork.
Yeah.
Tell me that.
All right. All right, guys. This is kind of scary, so I don't know. It's kind of scary, so we're gonna try to see if we can get some gas. We ain't got no gas in. I'm surprised. Put my seatbelts on. Put my seatbelt on. Alright, guys. Let's see if we can make it to a gas. Oh boy. Guys, I think we got bad news. I think this dog not good. This is going to cost me thousands of dollars. Win some, you lose some. I think I just lost this one. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I just blew the tire. I'm screwed. I'm screwed, guys. I gotta go get I blew the tire. Guys, we probably got a bad one. Guys. So let me go get a tire and some gas, and I'll be right back. We got a bad one, guys. God damn it, we probably got a bad one. Sorry about the language.